Ganda o gulat? Usapang special effects makeup para sa Halloween ready. Alamin natin yan dito sa Ang Artsy Mo. Kasama nga natin ngayon ang dalawang naggagandahang ladies. Yes. Si Marie Jillian Gallardo, ang film and theater special effects makeup artist. And then si Manily Taston, ang kanyang model. Grabe naman ang model na ito. Kamusta ang morning natin? Unahin natin si Ma'am Marie.
Okay naman po. It's quite an experience to be here. Medyo kinakabahan. Pero excited pa rin.
Yes. And how about po si Manily?
Ma'am Manily.
Siyempre, very thankful po na na-invite kami dito.
Ayun na nga. Pero syempre, bago natin umpisahan yung paano ba tayo tanungin muna natin or ipakwento natin kay Mama Marie, paano ka napunta dito sa larangang ito?
Actually, hobby ko lang po talaga yung makeup kasi by trade, I'm a medtech. So, talagang I just do this for fun and I'm very open to collaboration, which is why I became the makeup artist for our short film.
When you say makeup artist, diba, ang typical lang na alam natin is mga simple makeup like this. Pero ito talagang pang Halloween makeup. Noon mo pa siya ginagawa?
Yes. I used to just paint my face. Actually, I would paint my face with white paint, tapos magdodrawing lang ako ng skull. And then, that would be the makeup.
You mentioned kanina, by profession, you're a medtech.
Yes.
Ngayon, parang ito na ba ang dito ka na nag-focus?
For now, this is what I'm doing just to kind of take a break din. Because I was practicing and then I had to take a break.
Pero ngayon naman, kasi di ba, nabanggit na makeup mostly. Di ba painting ka nag-start?
Yes.
So, kailan ka naman nag-start na mag-transition to makeup na yung ginagamit natin sa pagpagawa ng mga special effects nga?
Around 2018, that was when I was first discovered for short films. And I was working mostly on indie films kasi, syempre, maliit lang budget. So, they're willing to take beginners. And as you go, you learn the trade din.
Oo, pero ayun na nga, bago pa natin antag dito,
Chikahin na natin
habang yes.
niya.
Kasi ngayon, itong si Manily, meron na siyang pasad
nagulat
sa
ako
kanyang
kanina.
noo. And I think yan na yung parang umpisa. Ano ba
Oo.
yung parang inspiration natin ngayon sa look ni Ma'am Manily?
Okay, so the inspo was, the request was, how can you do special effects na madali lang gawin?
Okay.
So, to make a bruise, to make it look realistic, ang unang iniisip ng mga tao, purple lang naman ang pasa. Purple lang siya.
Yes.
Pero, actually, there are many layers to a bruise. So, we started with some concealer.
Yes.
Para mas blank yung space. And so, it would smoothen the texture of where you're applying the bruise. And then, we would add some red or, in this case, maroon. Para
Maroon nga siya.
mag-deepen siya.
Yeah.
Tapos, brown to darken the edges. And because a bruise is technically, mag-memetic speak ako, blood spilling in an area, but only a small amount of blood, not enough to have a tumor.
Yeah.
Technically, yung red is the blood spreading out of the blood vessel.
And then after nyan, ano na yung next step natin?
The next step is to set it with powder. So we just set it with brown, blue eyeshadow just to give it a deeper effect. Para mas fresh looking.
So, blue eyeshadow yung parang mga black siya. Nag-layer
kasi
na
when you go into black agad, masyado siyang, intense.
Oo nga.
So, to make it look more realistic, you have to think of color theory in the sense of how can I build depth without going to the deepest color? And you can do that with blue, brown, red, and sometimes even yellow to give it more dimension.
Ayun. And syempre, kailangan tapusin natin to.
Oo.
After yung bruise na yan, ano na ang next step natin?
So, dadagdagan na po natin ng fake blood.
Fake blood.
Yes.
Ito po.
Wait, so
Ito
we
ang
have
ating-
fake blood capsules.
May napipili ba siyang ganito?
Yes, you can buy that on Shopee.
See?
Though safe naman yung
Oo,
mga ganyan
yes,
kung,
safe to
kung
eat.
nalulunok mo din.
Safe to eat.
Safe naman.
Yes.
Okay. Ito yung parang fake blood na ginagamit sa lahat ng
Yes.
films and everything.
Tapos kinakagat siya.
Paano na natin to i-apply
So,
kay model?
To think of a head wound, you have to think of the direction of the splatter. So, because the direction of this bruise is pag ganun siya, ang iisipin nyo po, saan po nag-splatter yung blood? So, lalagyan po natin dito sa gitna ng bruise, and then I'm just gonna have her tilt her head para hindi po mapasukan yung mata niya.
I see.
Opo. And this will allow her, a chance to drip the blood. So you have direction. I'm going to have to soak her hair. Sorry na lang. And then, so you can see the direction in which the blood goes. Diyan din po ma-indicate kung bakit malaki yung bruise sa side na to.
I see.
Oh,
Now I
okay.
know. Oh, mga ka-MB,
And that
fake
is-
blood po ito.
Yes,
opo.
Ano lang po ito.
Fake blood
Galing po
lang
dito.
po.
Fake blood lang po siya. So,
Yes.
hindi po ito totoong blood.
Ayun.
Tsaka yung mga gantong makeup na ano siya, hindi mabubuo yung isang film or any theater, especially sa theater kung
Yeah.
walang makeup kasi nga ito din yung nagpapakita ng realistic paano
Yeah.
may portray
Yeah.
ang isang event, isang pangyayari kung walang mga
Ay,
makeup.
But this blood is water resistance naman siya or waterproof or
no.
yung mabilis siyang malbura.
Nag-i-stain ba siya?
Nagsustain siya pero madali lang naman siyang tanggalin.
See, oo. Kasi
rubbing alcohol.
kawawa naman si ate
Opo.
girl. Kung nga ganyan siya maglalakad dyan sa Session Road.
May
Pero
klase
maganda.
pa po yan mamaya.
Exactly. Ay, maganda yung mga ganitong ngayon, makeup inspo.
Oo.
Especially nga,
Especially
at 2 weeks na lang, Halloween
Oo.
na.
Yes po.
Halloween, hindi, undas na.
Undas,
Oo.
oo.
Huwag tayong magaganon mga ka-MB, yung mga ganyang mga ganyan. Tapos mananato kayo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, mga nandyan sa camera, mga nandyan, ako po, makakasabi ko ng word. Oo.
Tirik ang
Opo.
araw.
Tirik ang araw. Pero ito nga ba, itong ginagawa mong ito, ano yung naibibigay niyang satisfaction sa'yo? Kasi hindi lang siya basta-bastang nag-mix ka lang ng color, nag-blend
Oo.
ka lang ng mga color. May something pa eh.
Well, it's nice when you see the vision of your director. So, syempre, pag sinabi nila sa akin na gusto ko mukha siyang bugbog,
Yes.
pagod, ganon.
Pwede bang kahit konti lang sa may
Sige.
black eye pag na ganun siya? Oo, pwedeng pa
Okay.
konti
So,
lang. Yung basic lang.
To
Hindi siya
basically do a black eye,
Yeah.
you start with a purple or red.
Okay.
We've already started some base here
Sige.
in which makikita nyo,
okay.
nalagyan na natin siya ng konting red, konting brown. This will highlight what it looks like to start a black eye. Kasi minsan matagal naman bago mag-form ang black eye talaga. Pero to make it more clear, we'll add some red here
Yeah.
underneath because that's where the blood is gonna pool.
See.
And then you have to blend very gently kasi
Yeah.
very sensitive ang under eye.
Exactly. Yeah.
So you have to think din, kaya ba nung model kung mag-blend ako ng konti dito,
Oo.
ganon. And then, to add depth, again, because a bruise is really layers and layers of colors.
Yeah.
So, hindi talaga siya pwedeng makuha ng isang color lang.
Yeah.
So, to make it look more realistic,
Mhm.
you can go with a warmer toned brown.
Mhm.
And this warm toned brown will add a little warmth. Tap in mo lang ng ganyan. And then it highlights depth. So, with makeup kasi, you can either add or take away.
Yeah.
And the best way to add depth is with shadow. So, makeup is basically using light and shadow to your advantage to create a visual effect. And that's really important sa special effects. Because, in some cases, example, you're just a college student trying to do a Halloween look. If you don't have a lot of budget, kayang-kaya tong gawin with brown eyeliner din.
See?
Oh.
Kasi di ba kapag Halloween talaga, tapos
Oo.
ang tape mo talaga yung mga ganyan, kailangan saan makukuha yung mga blue eyeshadow? Eh, ang
Yeah.
nasa iyo lang namang makeup.
Tas
Kita
kung-
yung mga
Brown.
neutrals,
Oo.
ganon.
Especially kung wala kang yung talagang pang
Oo,
professional na makeup
yeah.
kit. Maparaan naman ang mga Pilipino.
Yes,
Yes.
pero
Talaga.
ito, halatang nasa
Yan.
pack siya.
Oo.
And so, you can tell now, mukha na
Mm-mm.
siyang may forming black eye.
Yeah,
kasi may
exactly.
depth na yung ano niya.
Oo. Kasi ang literal kasing alam natin na black eye, yung
Yes.
word na
Oo,
black.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pero actually,
Yes.
hindi siya black. Kasi
Oo.
nga, blood blood siya sa loob.
Oo. So, dun nag-disperse. Tama po ba?
Yes,
The
so-
blood. So, parang magkakaroon siya ng maraming color.
Yes,
Kasi may
may
mga blue.
pigmentation
Oo,
talaga.
may mga
May
iba't ibang
violet,
pigmentation.
nag-violet
Yeah,
din siya.
blue, violet. Minsan may mga green pa,
Yes.
dark green,
Oo.
ganon. Oo. Pero tanungin naman natin si ating model, si Manili. Matagal ka na ba talagang nagmo-model when it comes sa Halloween-inspired makeup? Sige po.
Actually, na-invite po kasi ako mag-act sa isang short film, which is that's why ganito po yung makeup look
Yes.
ko. So, may upcoming short film po kami na about
5
a
police
horror,
officers. Yeah.
na
Yeah.
may sinapian,
Oo.
may brutal, ganun
Yes.
po. Kaya din po ako na-invite na, syempre ganito din po yung makeup ko sa set.
Yes.
So
Oo
ibig
nga.
sabihin, ikaw si... Ano ka doon?
Actress ka ba?
Actress.
Yeah.
Actress ka, and ikaw yung nasa pack. Hindi.
Opo. Yes po.
Ikaw
yan,
yung nasa
may
pack.
mga effect.
So,
Sabihin na lang natin, isa siya sa mga
Isa,
nasa pack.
yes.
Isa sa mga nasa pack.
Opo.
Matagal nyo na ba itong ginagawa? So magkakilala na kayo ever since?
Actually, this is our first time working
What?
together.
Oh, really?
Oo, and then yung tandem yun,
Oo.
nag-band talaga siya.
Yes.
Oh, ilan na ang nagawan mo ng Halloween makeup
This
effects?
would be, I think, my second film.
Second
Oo.
film.
Second
Yes.
film.
Pero Halloween effects in general, sa
Yeah.
sarili ko, matagal na talaga.
Matagal na. Ano yung pinaka-iconic na ginawa mong makeup, Halloween
Halloween
makeup?
makeup.
Dia de los Muertos, yung pininturahan ko yung sarili ko ng puti. And- Yes. Dia de los Muertos is Spanish for Sugar Skull or Day of the Dead.
Okay, okay.
Yung mga sugar
Yung-
skull.
yung-
Yes.
oo, yung skull.
Ngayon naman, syempre, ilang days na lang halos.
Halloween na, oo.
Oo, malapit na ang undas, ang ating kung saan dito na magkakaroon tayo ng isang katatakutan na weekend. Ano yung mga uso ngayon ba na mga makeup, Halloween makeup?
Mukhang maraming vampire ulit and zombies. Definitely, you can
Zombies.
expect zombies. Oo.
Hindi talaga mawawala yung vampire
Yes.
zombies.
Kasi
Yung mga
Ba't may
classic
ganun?
sila eh.
Tumating
mga
balahibo
fictional
ko.
natin.
Please po. Ayaw mo ng ganyan. Literal. Ganun talaga.
Oo, it's really scary. Oo, it's very haunting.
Haunting, oo.
Pero aside dito, nag-aano ka din ba sa mga theater something aside sa mga film?
Yeah.
Kasi nga mostly film.
Well, no, not really because
Not really.
it's a very small demographic. Pero I'm willing to work with them if they want to. Oo.
Do you really think ba na talagang in the
Next,
the next
Few years,
5, 3 years or 3 years, you still continue doing this?
Yeah, possibly. I really enjoy makeup and
Mm-mm.
I love collaborating with other artists who have vision.
Mm-mm.
Because for me, as a makeup artist,
Mm-mm.
my job is to bring your vision to life.
Ibig sabihin ba, you also do like simple or classy makeups?
Yes. I do mostly my own makeup for photo shoots.
Uh-huh.
Din.
Okay.
I do
I see.
photo shoots.
Pero yung ina-specialize mo, this kind of special effects makeup,
Actually, no. Yeah, I do more of simple makeup looks. Pero I'm willing to work kasi with visual effects because it's a very interesting art.
and it's not easy.
And it's
Yeah,
not
It's not
easy.
easy.
In
Yes.
just one bruise, sarok, ilang minutes mo siya gagawin dapat?
The depth of the bruise can take up to 30 minutes depending on how deep the bruise has to be. Oo. Or kung gaano siya ka-fresh.
Mm-mm.
Kasi kung medyo matagal na siyang bruise, iba din yung effects niya. You have to think of the green, how is it going to lighten, anong itsura ng bruise when it's starting to heal na.
Yun nga din.
See.
Kasi syempre, nawawala na yung dugo.
Mm-mm.
This is a fresh bruise, so technically, nagsispread pa lang yung dugo sa area.
And then may blood
Oo.
stain pa na
Oo. Kasi
bumababa.
sasabihin mong may breakage ng skin here. That's why we sprayed it high.
Ayun, at syempre marami pa rin nagtatanong, ano nga ba ang mga makeup must-haves kapag ganito nang kailangan na?
Okay.
Mga gantong look ang kailangan natin.
So, I think for any kind of makeup look for Halloween, your basic should be at least a light concealer, lighter than your natural skin tone. Neutral colors, because you can always do something with neutrals.
Yeah.
You can change shadows, lights, depending on what neutral colors you have. Swerte ka na lang if you can get brown or blue. Kasi blue is a harder color to produce.
Actually, yeah. Kukunti ang mga local brands dito
Na
na
umaano ng
nagpo-produce
blue.
ng mga
Yes.
blue. kundi sa pang-araw-araw na ginagawa mo sa pagmumukha mo. Kung dun sa way na yon, feeling mo maganda ka, confident ka, yun lang, dun ka lang tumutok, wag na sa mga sinasabi ng ibang
Tama,
tao.
kasi
Totoo.
ang mga tao, madaming masasabi yan kahit wala kang ginagawa.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
just do the things that you love and that
Exactly.
makes you confident.
At saka let's enjoy Halloween together. Kung gusto nilang maging tiyanak man dyan, di ba, hindi man maganda sa inyong paningin, hindi naman sila nakakatapak ng ibang tao. Wag na po natin silang i-bash or maging Karen.
Yes.
Karen na
the
word,
Karen ng
oo.
US,
Syempre,
mga
alam
ganon.
naman natin yan. Hindi yan mawawala. Oo. And ito na nga, itong malapit na, baka meron tayong mga events na
yes.
dapat tututukan or aabangan ng ating mga ka-MB.
Yes, so you can catch our short film teaser this Saturday. We're
na.
opening up Baguio Horror Fest on October 25 at 10 a.m. in Abanao.
Yes.
Yes, so 10 a.m. We'll be opening the fest, and then it's free for all. So
Yeah.
you just come in. The first 50 people to come in will also be receiving free makeup looks for the Halloween parade that will follow.
Kailan to ulit?
October 25.
October 25, and that's
Yes.
on Saturday.
Saturday.
Oh,
Yes.
this Saturday na.
Yes.
Yes, this
Kaya nga
Saturday
sa mga
na.
gustong maki-Halloween party.
Party,
Yes.
parade,
Parade.
zombie walk kung alam
Yes.
tinatawag na atin. Pupunta, maki-join po kayo sa kanila sa Saturday. Anong start niyan?
10 a.m. po.
10
10
a.m.
a.m.
hanggang 8, I guess?
Yes. Well, the parade itself will be at 5 p.m.
5
in Session
p.m.
Road.
Tas ikaw na bang isa dun sa mga magni-makeup dun sa 50 packs
We'll
na yun?
see. We'll wait
We'll
and
see.
see.
Oo, kung gusto nyo po ng ganitong inspired, nabugbog-inspired na makeup look para sa inyong mga Halloween party, naku po, jumoin lang po kayo sa Halloween, ano
It
ito?
is the Baguio Horror Festival.
Ayun.
Yes.
You can also check their Facebook page, Halloween
Halloween parade.
Parade
Halloween.
Baguio. Meron, I think may Baguio. Baguio
Baguio
Zombie
Zombie
Parade.
Walk, yes.
Walk.
Up.
Ayun. Maraming salamat,
Thank
Marie
you.
and Manny. Baka may gusto naman kayong batiin. Unahin natin kay Marie.
Well, we'd like to say hi to Sir Jerry, our director.
Hi, our director po. We have a lot of upcoming films and
Yes.
we invite everyone po sa Friday night, our Kwentuhan Nights po. Madami pong ipapalabas na indie films and also yung teaser po nung movie
yes.
namin, which is kung saan po inspired yung makeup na to.
Yes.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Oo, di ba mga ka-MB ko na Marie?
I would like to say hello to also Sir Paulo. Thank you for the invitation. Thank you for the opportunity for us to highlight special effects makeup and also for inviting us to the show. Thank you po.
Baka naman may gustong magpaano sa'yo, magpa-makeup. Kahit
Saan
hindi
ka?
Halloween, oo. Saan ka
Saan
nilang
ka
pwedeng makontak?
They can reach out to me on Facebook. I'm on Facebook as Marie Jillian Leandra B. Gallardo.
Yun lang.
Yes.
Ang
Yes.
i-type ninyo, tapos mahahanap niyo
Yes.
po si Ma'am Marie. Ayun,
Okay.
maraming salamat po, Ma'am Marie. Jillian Gallardo, ang film and theater special effect makeup artist, and also si Manny
Manny
Teston,
Teston.
ang model and actress
Yes.
sa mga
Film
film dito
na
sa Baguio
mangyayari sa
City.
Saturday.
Ayan naman,